for when the point is being to operate, what will take place here? Unlocking will take place first. Unlocking here. That means unlocking means this point cannot be thrown. Only after unlocking, then only point can be thrown. Okay, first unlocking, then throw. Unlocking, throw, again locking and detection. First detection break. First contact detection. Already contact is made in your own position. Now the contact, that is the normal position. That is normal detection will be here. NWKR picks up. And at the same time here the contact is made. This is for reverse control. When the supply is coming for the reverse, unless this contact is made, you cannot go for, motor cannot operate, and then it cannot move for the reverse. So NWKR normal detection, this is reverse detection. Normal detection, here reverse control, here reverse detection, normal control. Okay, now this is the throw rod, this is the driving rod or throw rod. This is, see, this is unlocking and throws, that one. Okay, then this is another one is, here you see, that is another rod is going to that side, that is left side. LH lock, this is lock slide. Only one rod for direction, one slide for throw, two slides for locking purpose, two slides for direction. Slides, that is called slides. So it is this one for left side locking, and left side direction is here. So left side locking, left side direction. Right side if it comes here, right side locking, right side direction. Okay.
Sir, again, sir, you are late.
You tell me. Here, first when you want to operate the point, motor should rotate. Motor gets supply. When has to get the supply, track should be up. That is, if the track is down, we cannot operate. That is called track locking. You might have told, you know. Track locking is very important. So when you test for point operation, first you have to de-energize the track relay by your own, or by shunting or disconnecting the link. That relay will be down. That suppose it is a 15 track, 15 TR. 15 TR means 15 TPR. 15 TPR contact will be proved in the operation circuit. Okay. So unless that TPR, suppose if that TPR down, that supply cannot. I will give you that circuit. That supply for the circuit, that contact will not be available. So it will not run. So track locking must be effective. That also we must have ensure that effectiveness of the track locking also when we are doing the testing, monthly or maintenance or this one, we have to do it. So when the motor is see, now the motor is, that point is normal. When it has to go to reverse, track up, reverse control, this side is reverse control, contact is made here. Okay. Then when it is made, then supply will go to motor and it will rotate. This is a split field 110 volt DC. Normal working current is 2 to 3 amps. When it goes for obstruction, it will be double or 2.5 times. If it is more than 2.5 times, the friction clutch is there, that will get slip. Okay, that it will not allow to damage the machine or motor. Clear? That is main thing. Then after arriving here, this control will break. After housing, this contact reverse control will get break, and normal control will make, and reverse detection will be making. When detection contact will make, not only housing but also locking should take place. Locking here, plunger locking is there. Okay, that is also should be locked. So this is the position. Now you see, this is the throw rod. This is the left hand side lock slide, left hand side detection slide. This is right hand side lock slide, right hand side detection slide. Only 5 slides. What are the slides? Throw rod, that is throw slide, locking slide left side, right side, detection slide left side. Only 5. Operation, first operation what it will do? Unlock. First detection, deduction opening, deduction contact break, and then unlocking, and point through, and point through, then locking, and then deduction. This is very 5 important. Okay, now you see the operation. And another thing, when suppose in case of failure, machine failure or power failure or circuit failure, train should not be hold. Manually it should be operated, cranked, that is called cranked, and taken to the other position and locked. That we have, for that key will be there. When you take that is called crank handle. Crank handle is by that differentiation might have been given every point. This point crank cannot be inserted there. That point crank cannot be inserted here. Then that when you remove it, that point circuit also will affect. That it will not get, point machine will not get separate, because that CHR, that crank and contact in, CHR relay is down. When it is in, when the crank handle is there in the circuit, that is in position, that contact will be making, the CHR relay will be energized condition. When you take it, that CHR down. So after bringing it, you are operating. When you are operating, here that facility is not, actually that the contact is not. When you insert, in addition the power also cut. By mistake somebody gives power, that also cut. Okay. Now you see all of you see how the contact break. One by one.
Oh, this one break.
Huh?
This one break. Indication break. This one break. This one normal contact.
This is normal deduction, reverse control. Okay. Up ulta. Now the point is a normal contact made. NWKR picks up. Now RC, reverse control contact is made. Okay. When you are operating, motor is running, you assume first on direction brakes, then rotate. Okay. Then locked. And here made.
Sir, in transition both are
That
made.
is for other side. Normal control made.
Control.
Deduction not made. Still, because that is rotating, no, that will be making. When it will be making, when the deduction contacts making, that will be braking.
Mid stroke.
But when in the mid stroke, when the point is not in either not in normal or reverse, NC and RC will be
Both are making.
So you can go any side to that both contact facilitates to go any one side. Still not braking. This even though made, that is not made because
फर्स्ट यहाँ पे लॉक हुआ है, यहाँ पर देखो पहले ही लॉक हो गया ये इधर देखो अभी
Here.
इधर देखो अभी गिरेंगे ना
one,
लॉक हो जाएगा
some people after seeing you can come and can another can you go on.
ये नीचे गिरा ये लॉक हुआ अभी
Now you see brake.
हाँ रिडक्शन हुआ ना
Okay.
लॉक हुआ
Huh?
पहले लॉक हुआ
Only this is very important. This is simple. You can see one or two times. If you don't know, you go and see that side also.
Set and lock indication is located.
So track locking, you know now. Point operation, what are all the track circuit should have? All signals, its signals should be in normal position, and CHR should be up. Signals are normal means what? That controlling point knob should be normal. ECR should be up like that. Okay. If anybody not seen that, then he can come back.
Again another